Hello everyone, this is Alex from Henan Machinery. Today I want to introduce you our horizontal cement silos. Behind me is one set of the 70 tons horizontal cement silos. As you can see, it's no need the concrete foundation. There are 6 bins and the horizontal cement silos. And there is a screw conveyors connected those 6 bins to transport the cement. Under each bins, there is butterfly valves connect the bins and the screw conveyors, control the open and close of these doors. And this is open and this is closed. There is a vibration motor on each bins to prevent the cement stuck in the cement silo. There are also 2 air arch breakings and on each bins, also its foundation is the same as to prevent the cement stocking in the cement silo. There are 8 legs to support the whole horizontal cement silos, so it doesn't need the concrete foundations. And as you can see, it's also lower than the vertical type cement silos, so it's more convenient for customers to maintenance and to install the the horizontal cement silo. And also we can add tires on it, so it's very convenient to move to one job site to another job site, and it's more safer than the vertical type cement silos. Welcome to contact us if you are interested in this product.